Okay, a lot of people are afraid of aluminum wiring, and there's really not a reason to be afraid of it. Back in the day when aluminum wiring was being used, there was a few house fires because it wasn't being installed properly. There was a learning curve for it. And the big thing is you got to make sure that your connections are tight and periodically retightened. And by that I mean like every couple years, you really need to take the plates off and check your screws and make sure they're tight. Beyond that, you don't have a whole lot of concerns. Now, they can oxidize. That's not actually the end of the world. Where that becomes a big issue is when you're trying to take things apart. But the problem with aluminum wiring, as it heats and cools, it expands and contracts, and that makes the connections loose. So that's your really only big fear. Aluminum wiring is still used for your high power lines, power coming into homes, things like that. So it's not that it's not used, we just don't use it in houses anymore.